In this video lecture, I am going to prove that 1 plus sin 2a divided by cos 2a equal to cos a plus sin a minus cos a minus sin a is tan pi by 4 plus a. So here let's take this LHS, left hand side, 1 plus sin 2a divided by cos 2a. So this I am going to convert into sin into cos form. So sin 2a, the formula is 2 sin into cos a. So we can write 1 plus 2 sin a into cos a. Now here, so cos 2a we can write cos a square a minus sin a square a is the formula. After that 1 we can change with cos a square a plus sin a square a. Now 2 sin a, or write 2 cos a into sin a. And this one we can convert this one a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b, that is cos a plus sin a, cos a minus sin a. Now if I assume this one cos a, this is a square is there, a square, this b square is there, a square, a square plus b square, 2 is there, 2ab, that is a plus b whole square. Now we can write cos a plus sin a whole square. Now cos a plus sin a and cos a minus sin a. So this cancel with 1. Finally that come cos a plus sin a, cos a minus sin a. It's proved. So first one is proved, this one. Now going to change this one in the form of tan pi by 4 plus a. So here we need to divide this cos inside numerator and denominator. So dividing cos a with numerator and denominator. So here cos a plus sin a dividing with cos a. Now cos a minus sin a dividing with cos a. So dividing cos a with numerator only, not denominator only, not numerator. So you should write dividing cos a with the denominator. So cos a denominator is the denominator. Now hereafter making relationship with cos a, this one and this one. Now here sin a, cos a. Hereafter the same thing, cos a, sin a, cos a. So this cancel, that return 1 sin plus sin divided by cos, that is tan. And here we can write 1 tan. Now here we can write tan pi by 4, the value is 1, tan 45 degree value is 1. So we can write here tan pi by 4 plus tan a. So tan a plus b formula, tan into tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. So here we can write 1 into tan. So this one we can also write tan pi by 4 into tan. So here tan a plus b Formula is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan A this one, tan B this one, 1 minus tan A is this one, tan B this one. So just write tan A plus B pi by 4 plus A. So here this is the our requirement. Finally it's come. So here we can write LHS equal to RHS proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.